Alright, so on these questions, writing equations of parallel and perpendicular lines. We're given a point, and we want to write an equation that's parallel to the line given. Parallel means same slope. Okay, we're given this equation here, y is equal to negative x minus 5. Our slope for this equation is equal to negative 1. So I'm going to use this point. So if I'm using a point, that means I'm going to use my point slope formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And then just like in the homework, I'm going to put this in point slope form using that given slope. So this is going to be y plus 3 is equal to negative 1 times x minus 4. Distribute. That's going to give me y plus 3 is equal to negative x plus 4. Now, I'm going to put this in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So that's going to give me y is equal to, and slope-intercept form is in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. So I need to move that 3 over. I need the y by itself. So that's why I'm doing this. So then this is going to be negative x plus 1. So my equation is going to be y is equal to negative x plus 1. That's it. Perpendicular. I'm going to redo number 5 just so we can talk about it. So when we're looking for the perpendicular slope, all right, that means we need to flip and switch. Now, if we watch the other videos, this would also help us understand what we're having to do with these. We want to write an equation parallel or perpendicular to this line. If my original slope is 2, my perpendicular slope is going to be negative, because I need to switch my signs, and then I need to flip this 2. This is the same thing as saying 2 over 1. It's now going to become negative 1/2 for my perpendicular slope. Now, just like we did with number 4, or rather number 2, I'm going to write an equation through that point and that slope. So now this is going to become y minus 0 is equal to negative 1/2 times x minus 2, because this is my x and this is my y. Okay? That's going to become y is equal to negative 1/2 x. Negative times a negative becomes a positive, and then that just becomes 1. So our answer here is y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 1. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit, and I will see you in the next video.